Hello, coming live, superhero style. Is it right? We're checking to make sure the video is fine. Okay. Hey. Time to learn some superhero signs. So first we'll start off with a few general. So if you're playing superheroes, you'll have some signs, and then we'll get into like the name signs. Beat up. Beat up. Your non-dominant hand is your person, so classifier 1. You take your fist with your signing hand and beat it up. Save or rescue. So your fists handshake, you're crossed at the wrist like you're handcuffed, and then you break free. Save. Assemble. You're gonna have 5 handshakes, palms sort of down and come in together to touch, like they're meeting. Assemble. Assemble. Mask. Now for superhero, it's gonna be this. Mask. Shield. Shield. It's a 5 hand or a 5 fingers together and comes out in front of you to protect you. Shield. Hero is finger spelled, and it goes up like they're flying away. Oh, I'll wait for that one. Okay, let's do some name signs. Now remember when we talked about names, how deaf people give you those names, and then it's your name until another deaf person maybe will change it for one reason or another, and then that becomes your name. It's the same with other name signs. So because the comic and the heroes are becoming more popular, there's going to be a lot of people that are making up names, and then it'll dwindle down, and if they stay popular enough, there'll be one accepted sign for them. So these are the signs that I have seen so far, and they may change, but you can use them for now until we find new accepted signs. Superman. It's an S, and you make an S across your chest. Or I've seen fist, hand on your hip, and fist in the air, like his pose. Batman. I've seen 2 signs for it. Batman, like his ears, Batman, or Batman. This is the sign for a bat, but it's usually flicked. So Batman is just once. Batman. Wonder Woman. I've seen 3 different ones so far. Wonder Woman, sign for wonderful. Wonder Woman. I've seen the lasso, and I've seen the wrist, the lasso around the wrist, or the wrist like that. Wonder Woman. Catwoman. It's a compound sign. Cat plus woman. Flash. Seen a few signs for it, or for him. One is the sign for sprint, so it's the sign like escape. Your one hand goes in between your fingers and comes out. Flash. I've seen the sign for zoom, so like the 20 hand is resting on your one finger of your non-dominant and comes out and closes. Zoom for flash. And I've seen lightning plus the sprint. Flash. Green Lantern. So your non-dominant hand is your fist, and you're going to have the light come out like his ring. Green Lantern. Aquaman. Your non-dominant hand is going to be a C at your forehead. Your signing hand is going to be an S inside the C and then comes out like that. Aquaman. Spider-Man. You got your I love you hands, palm out, and you're going to shoot your webs. Spider-Man. Iron Man. I've seen a few for it. I've seen iron plus man. Iron is an X right your chin and it comes out. Man. And I've seen just like Aquaman except on the chest where Iron Man's thing is. Iron Man. Hulk. Hulk. You make your fists and you your palms are facing each other, and instead of making your muscles up, you're making them down. Hulk. Black Widow. I've seen black and spider, and I've seen black kill. Black Widow. Black Panther. Black. And then your paws, like your bent fives, walking like the panther. Black Panther. Star-Lord. It's compound sign, star and Lord so far, until someone changes it. Captain America. Captain is a C that taps your shoulder. And then America, your 5 hands interlock and palms are in towards you. And it goes around in a circle. I think of it like the fences all around America, the American dream of the white picket fences. So Captain America. Where am I? The Punisher is the sign for punish. So you take your one hand, signing hand, your non-dominant hand or arm is up in a fist, and your one hand brushes against the elbow. The Punisher. Thor. It's his, what do you call it, hammer thing? I don't know. Hawkeye. With your non-dominant hand, you're going to have a fist in front of you. And then you're going to shoot out like a 12. But your palm is in towards your face, like an archery. Hawkeye. Avenger. A compound sign, a symbol, person. Avenger. Thanos. You snap. Wolverine. Your hands are together and then they come out in W's. Wolverine. Storm. So you start out like O's, you make a storm, so your fingers swiggle and then come back to those O's touching each other, palms up and down. Storm. storm. So it looks like she's going from one place to another and causing a storm. Nightcrawler. Night, and then boom, he appears, or he appears. Night. Echo. Copy person. And Echo and Hawkeye are deaf superheroes. Woohoo! Next one, Daredevil. I've seen some people do this for Daredevil, which is the same as Batman, so I'm not sure. And then, or I've seen this. So you cross at the wrist with D's. And I saw one time up here by the eyes because blind. So Daredevil. And I mentioned that Echo and Hawkeye are deaf. There's another deaf superhero, Blue Ear. I don't know how to sign that, so we're just signing it Blue Ear for now. There is Superdeafy, the I Love Yous cross Superdeafy. And there's actually a movie. You can see it on Amazon Prime or Tubi if you have that app. It's called No Ordinary Hero. It's a deaf director, a deaf producer, and deaf actors. So very interesting, and it's about a superhero. So you should watch it if you can. I think I've covered all of the ones that I know that I have seen. I hope this helps. I know it's longer than normal. You're welcome, Amanda. Amanda says thank you. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.